right, so far, what we have here is the end of season 4, and the winner is fionsFei. Woohoo! Yay, Fiona! And Linn Darkwatch got second. Woohoo, Linn! Yay! And they both have 40 points. And if Linn Darkwatch would have showed up last week and raced it all, he would have been in first place. Anyway, down here in third we have Akay. Woohoo, Akay! And Caleb Kit got 4th place. Woohoo! And Brian Top got 5th place. Yay! And Magnek Fang got 6th place. Yay! And Kelly Kane got 7th place. Yay! And Draper and Wing Reaper are tied for 8th. Yay! And Tibbetts Foxclaw got 10th place. Woohoo! And Oodle Me Noodle, last place. Woohoo! Yay! So here are the people who got trophy. Wait, we're missing one. Okay, so here are the winners for last season. In first place is fionsFei. Woo, Fiona!
Yay!
In second place was Linn Darkwatch. Woohoo, Linn! Yay! And in third place was Akay. Woohoo, Akay! And don't forget to look at everybody and send your votes to Stephanie Bremer, who's probably here, right? No?
No.
No. Okay. Well, then send them to Tindy Sayer. Directly to Tindy this time. How about that? Okay. So that's for best in being here in fireworks. Okay, you guys, go out there and get ready to race, and then I'll reset the board. All right. We're back. We did that, and now we're going to go out there and see who's ready to race. Over here in the red scarf is Linn Darkwatch. Woohoo, Linn! Yay! Akay over here in the blue scarf. Woohoo, Akay! And in the green scarf is Caleb Kit. Woohoo, Caleb! And we've got Magnek Fang over here on the yellow scarf. Woohoo! Magnek.
Yay!
And over here in the pink with the only gate that actually showed up today for me is fionsFei. Woohoo, Fiona! I don't know why I'm not rezzing stuff. Okay, so then somebody came back. All right. I guess we're ready to film this thing. Tindy, hit the old button there. Let's get this going. Button in and button out. Tindy dances all about. And then she jumps up and hits the button. And with that, the catapult is raised for the throwing of the cow. It's a beautiful night out here tonight with the fireworks and everything. It is fireworks day here. That's 4th of July for Americans, but for everyone else, it's whatever day they have their fireworks on.
Canada's celebrating their Independence Day. A couple days before us.
Why not? Sure. Get a jump on it. Do it on the weekend. All right, there they go, and they're jumping over the pieces of debris and climbing over stuff and knocking over things.
Absolutely.
Everybody's got their HUDs on. Everybody's registered. It's really close here. Is that Akay in the lead? It might be Akay. No. Caleb, maybe? It's hard to say.
I can't tell. Wow, those keys really light up in the dark.
Yeah. They're bouncing across. Let's see who we got here in the lead now. Is it yellow? Can be yellow. Is that Magnek Fang? Oh, no. Here we go. It looks like whoever this is, that was Caleb, I think. No, Magnek Fang? Where's Magnek? There he is, back there. Okay.
We've got Caleb in front.
Caleb winning the race so far. Woohoo, Caleb!
In the SLB 15 crystal snail.
Yes, the one that Tindy made for us for our SL15 birthday. We have a spot over there. You should go look at it. And I hear the cake's going to blow up on Sunday at 4 o'clock p.m., the cake stage. I'll be there filming it.
Woohoo.
Woohoo! Okay, who's in the front? Is that Linn Darkwatch now? Looks like it might be Linn Darkwatch in the lead. It's taking the lead away from somebody. We missed it. Somewhere in the bouncy mushrooms.
Yep.
We're filming at twilight time.
The multiple ramp.
Let's see who will go through first here. We've got starting on lap 2. Is that Akay in the lead now? Akay and Linn Darkwatch and fionsFei and Caleb. Woo! And Magnek Fang is just getting here.
Yes. Got a high bounce.
Even a nice little trail of particles.
Dude, checkpoint 1.
A lot of fireworks going off over here.
They do that, you know. Oh, AK got a. There's a kid. No, that.
So Linn Darkwatch? I think Linn Darkwatch is in the lead.
No, man, AK got a really high bounce.
Oh. Did we lose a bench on that?
Like losing bench, maybe. No.
Yeah, looks good. Lap number 2. I think Linn Darkwatch is in the lead now. Yes.
Yes, she is.
And Caleb's in second, and fionsFei with her trophies in third. And that's AK right there with the tall flag out.
Through the mushrooms. And Lynn's out of the mushrooms.
You know, I finally found the adjustment so I could turn up SL sounds and steer him over the Skype. So today you can actually hear those sounds today. Woo! That might even come in over the music. Maybe I'll turn the music down a little bit. There's the crowd. They're on lap number 2. There I go. Magnek Fang is a little bit back there, but hanging in there. Good to have you racing there, Magnek.
Right.
You know, Linn Darkwatch would have won this season if she had just raced one more time last week.
Oh.
Yeah, no. Any score at all, she could have come in last, and that way she would have won. I think, right? Yeah, because she would have had 50. She would have had 41 points.
On lap 3, ready for checkpoint 1. Miss Linn in first with fionsFei in second. And AK in third with Caleb Kidd in fourth. He's out there, son. Okay, he's crossed first because Linn fell in the water.
Uh-oh.
He's in a close second.
fionsFei took the lead.
Kid also fell in the water, but he's in third, and AK also in the water is in fourth.
Everybody's in the water now.
Well, except Fiona.
And Magnet. I'm still back here somewhere. About to hit the water. Bouncing across. I gotta get out to this, see who wins here.
We're crossing the mushrooms. And Fiona over first with Lynn in second. What is the change in the ice cream?
fionsFei in the lead. Followed very closely by Linn Darkwatch.
At the top of the ramp.
And it's going to be fionsFei. Woohoo, Fiona! Linn Darkwatch in second. Who's next? Caleb? Caleb and his diamond, or his, what is it? Crystal snail. Woohoo!
Yay!
Yay! Oh, we're looking for where's Akay?
Akay's under the ramp.
Oh no, she's
Heading
stuck
back
in it?
Heading back into the water. Return with Magnek Fang up the ramp.
Magnek Fang is going up the ramp for Akay.
Something happened to Akay. Fell off. Fell to the next one.
We're not sure, yes. Oh, he's back on the ramp though. There you go. It's gonna be, here it comes. It's Magnek Fang for fourth and Akay for fifth. Woo! Yay! Okay, so over here we had in first place was fionsFei. Woo, Fiona! Yay! In second place, Linn Darkwatch. Woo, Linn! Linn is gonna explode. And over here we have Caleb Kit, right? Caleb got third. Woo! Fourth place was Magnek Fang, pulled it off, didn't come in last. And then Akay. Woo, Akay! Alright, so without Stephanie Bremer here, we have to ask Tindy directly who won Best in Audience, or Best in Fireworks today.
Best in Fireworks today is Akay!
Akay with his little top hat. Was it just my vote?
No. A couple people voted.
Okay, good. Woo! Good job. Good job, Akay. All right, and now is the time when everybody starts dancing and stuff.
Yeah!
If they got one. Akay's making a massive checkerboard here with his particles. All right, so that's it. We'll be back here tomorrow to race the giant snails at 10:30 a.m. Come join us then.
Yeah!
Woo!
Goodbye!
Goodbye.
Alrighty.